Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the phone is powered and the SIM is seated correctly. This prevents read errors. Once done, open Settings and head to About Phone or Network/Status. Those menus expose the SIM serial and number. If the number isn't shown, make sure mobile data or a registered carrier profile is active. The OS often reads carrier-provisioned info only after a signal is established. Keep your carrier login and IMEI at hand for the next verification step, because you will need them shortly. You now extract the detailed identifiers. Open SIM status to copy exit and IMSI and check the phone number field for the MSystem. If settings doesn't show everything, dial *#06# to display IMEI, which helps with carrier lookup. Next, sign into the carrier app or web account. Carriers often list the assigned phone number and exit there. Once you have values, record them precisely, either screenshot or write them down with a timestamp, so you can cross-reference during support or account actions. You finish by verifying the captured SIM details against the carrier account. Matching exit and IMSI confirms the correct SIM is active. If values differ, contact the carrier immediately and provide IMEI Plus account credentials, because they can reprovision or explain routing. Make sure to restart the phone and reset the SIM before escalating, and test the SIM in another unlocked phone to rule out device issues. If problems persist, a carrier reset or replacement SIM is often the fastest resolution. Ask for next step timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.